Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead and beyond. And it looks like the sunshine has returned and it will stick around through the weekend. But we do have some very dry air in place, and that's going to set the stage for the coldest night of the winter so far over much of the Arklatex. This is what we're looking at on the weather map. We have an area of high pressure that extends from the Great Lakes down into the southern plains. The actual center of this ridge is going to settle over us, and as a result tonight, with the clear sky, that dry air that I mentioned, and not much wind, perfect conditions to allow the heat that we've built up during the day today to escape into space and to allow temperatures to cool down. So here's a look at, first of all, that drier air. Again, the dew point tells you how much water vapor is in the atmosphere. The lower that number, the drier the air, and you can see the dew point single digits north, teens south. Not very often we see air this dry in the Arklatex, and of course, as I mentioned, combine this with the clear sky and light wind, it is going to set the stage for a cold night tonight. Now, what's going to happen here is that we will see that ridge, the axis of that ridge move by, and by Sunday we should see more of a westerly wind, which will allow a pretty good warm up to close the weekend. But tonight looking clear. Again, that wind will die down. Expect a sunny sky once again across the Arklatex tomorrow. Tomorrow night, we'll see that mostly clear skies. Temperatures again tomorrow night will likely dip into the 20s across most of the area. And then Sunday, we will close the weekend with that westerly wind. And again, lots of sunshine. Temperatures Sunday actually probably warming into the upper 50s to low 60s, which is pretty close to what we typically see for the latter half of January. Longer range, we'll see another upper level disturbance make its way into the region. The longer range version of Futurecast does show the clouds increasing Sunday night. We will see an area of rain make its way into the region moving into late Monday and Monday night, as you can see here. Not looking at much as far as any threat of thunderstorms or anything like that with the cool temperatures that are anticipated, but we will see this area of rain linger possibly into Tuesday morning. Other models are a little bit faster, so sometime late Monday through Monday night and possibly into Tuesday morning, we'll see our next batch of rain. And Futurecast looking and agreeing with other models that we could see totals over especially the southeast half of the Arklatex surpass a half an inch. You can see the model showing anywhere from a half an inch to an inch over much of northwest Louisiana and southern Arkansas. Totals further to the west will be in the range of a quarter to a half an inch. So a decent amount of rainfall with this system, and it's going to be one of those slow, steady rains that we could use given the drought conditions that have developed across the area. Moving through the rest of the week, we will kind of settle back into dry conditions. Here comes that upper level disturbance, which will give us the shot for the rain late Monday and Monday night. It'll clear. We'll see the dry conditions with, again, as some models indicating a slight chance for some rain late next weekend. That is still a bit up in the air, as we will see temperatures, however, remain pretty close to normal. So your forecast for tonight, well below normal, as we will see a clear sky with the light wind, dry air. You can see the teens for nighttime lows tonight. 17 in Texarkana, 16 in DeQueen, 21 degrees for the nighttime low tonight in Shreveport. If you live in the northern half of the area, may want to do the usual things to protect the pipes, maybe let the faucet drip a little bit. We should be pretty much okay further to the south and east and East Texas and northwest Louisiana, but wouldn't hurt maybe just a little, allow just a little bit of a drip. And you can see tomorrow we will start the warming trend, upper 40s to lower 50s for daytime highs, with 50 degrees for the high in Shreveport, 51 in Marshall, 48 in Texarkana, 52 in DeQueen, and these highs still just about 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. But never fear, by Sunday it's back up to normal, as we'll be in the lower 60s across much of the area. There's that good chance for some rain as we look ahead to Monday, and you can see most of next week highs staying in the 50s, lows in the 20s and 30s. We could see another slight chance of rain late next weekend. So the big story weather-wise will be the cold tonight, followed by a decent weekend of sunshine and eventually warmer temperatures.